Hello everyone and good evening. I'm Shikha Rupani, one of the country counselors at Advise International, which is one of the leading overseas education consultancy. We are here in this industry from past 29 years, having 24 branches all over India. The services which we provide here would make your abroad studies a smooth process and an easier way. Advise International is a one-stop solution to achieve your dreams of studying abroad. We provide services like shortlisting universities, documentations, help in university applications, connect you to university representatives, loan assistance, accommodation assistance, visa process in the leading countries like USA, Canada, UK, Ireland, Germany, Singapore, New Zealand and many more. It would be an end-to-end process. Today I would be talking about the study of international business and capitulate your career. Today, the top business schools across the globe are in tight competition to keep up the markets, so there are plenty of options for international business degrees. For experience, there is a definite correlation between obtaining training before you enter the workforce and the level of business success people enjoy, as well as a direct correlation between relationships and obtaining full-time work. If I talk about types of degrees in international business management, there are various types of degrees available here in different countries, such as associate degrees, certificate programs, diploma, advanced diploma, bachelor's, master's, even postgraduate diplomas, and also doctorate programs. The popular types of undergraduate degrees for international business are Bachelor's of Business Administration, Bachelor's of Science in International Business, Bachelor's of Science in Business Administration with the specialization in International Business Management. Many people choose to continue their business education post their bachelor's by earning a master's in business administration, having the concentration in international business management, a highly respected advanced degree that indicates a commitment to leading in the field. Your MBA will usually take 1 to 2 years to be obtained. This degree will give you skills that are transferable to other areas of business. But if you want to specialize in international management or entirely a global management areas, the Masters of Science in International Business will give you the skill set to do such things. Another advanced degree option is Masters in International Management, which focuses almost exclusively on issues related to international business. Many schools offer specialized master's degree in international business. The curriculum and the course, if I talk about, would be the various courses would be accounting, people management and strategic organizational leadership, business oriented computer applications. Usually master's program covers advanced management concepts and best practices, organizational behavior and design, ethical leadership, strategic planning. Students can choose between degree pathways and dual degrees as well. They can specialize with majors such as international business and marketing or international business and entrepreneurship. Students also get the opportunity to work on real life consultancy projects within a business. The career opportunities what an international business management student will have in various countries is students can also use their knowledge to globalize their own business or family business. Both experience and education contribute to success in the business world, and you will get both to land a stable job with a good career opportunities. The job titles what a student can look for is either in accounting, banking and finance, human resource, marketing, business advisor, business analyst, management consultant, marketing executive, product management, corporate investment banker, And also international business degree launches your career in exciting global locations such as Canada, UK, USA, Singapore, and also in India. If a student is willing to study post his masters, he can continue to do his PhD as well before seeking a career. If I talk about the eligibility criteria for the international schools abroad at the undergraduate level, it would be that the criteria differ from country to country, but a student should have a good academic background in higher secondary school, additional extracurricular activities done during this school or college adds on to the overall student profile. Student will also have to take an English proficiency exam, that is IELTS, TOEFL or PTE. If I talk about the scores, what they have to get into would be IELTS 6.5, individually no band less than 6, TOEFL would be 80, PTE would be 60. If you are looking particularly to study in USA, then I would really recommend you to give a SAT exam to get considered for good universities. For graduate programs, the eligibilities, talking about US and Canada particularly, they need 16 years of education for their masters to be pursued. But there are few universities which will accept our Indian education of 15 years for their masters. Unlike the other countries, UK, Australia, Ireland, education system is same as the Indian education. So our 15 years education will be definitely be considered. For that you need a bachelor's degree, preferably in the relatable field with a good score. And if you are particularly looking for an MBA degree with a specialization in international business management, then 2 to 3 years of work experience at the relatable field will be definitely required. And an English proficiency exam with the required scores will definitely be required. Particularly for USA, you will have to give a GMAT exam and score well. And even GRE is being accepted by many of the universities in USA. Advice International counselors would really like to help you in the whole process of applications and the visa process to achieve your dreams of studying abroad. You can also connect to us further via social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, also via call. You can dial the toll-free number 1-800-102-0336 or even WhatsApp us on 8600-911-333. Students can walk into our nearest branch for personalized counseling sessions. We do take virtual counselings via Zoom, WhatsApp, Skype. Please do get in touch for a smoother process. We are conducting a series of subject fairs where university representatives are connecting to the students directly, and that can discuss the concerns regarding applications, scholarships, or even get an application fee waiver. The International Business Subject Fair is going to be conducted tomorrow via Zoom. Request you all to register for the same by visiting our website so that we can send the link to join the fair. The universities attending would be Sheffield Hallam University, Niagara College, Hull Business School, University of Law, University of Kent, City University London, University of Nottingham, Munich Business School, North Island College, and also Kiel Universities. Apart from this fair, there are other subject-specific fairs being conducted by Advise International on regular basis. All the details are available on our website and social media platforms. Thank you so much for attending this session. Hope this was informative and helps you to choose your career path properly. Are there any questions? I'm open to questions right now. I see there are no questions. Okay, it seems like there are no really questions as such. So we can end this session right here. Thank you so much everyone for attending this.